안녕하세요.
The first recipient of the Rising Star Awards is Indonesia actress Cresta Taufun. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you so much, Busan International Film Festival and Mary Claire Asia Stars Awards 2025 for this appreciation. This means the world for me and I'm beyond honored. I'd like to thank, of course, my parents, my manager, my loved one for never stop believing me and supporting me. And big, special thank you for Reza Rahadian right there, my amazing director, and Arya, Feli, Stefano, and all of team of Onjolab or Angku who give me opportunity to give life to Sartikas, my character souls.